guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I will show you top 3 best websites to watch anime. So you might just be looking for the best websites to actually watch your anime without ads, and you because some websites don't actually show all the anime completely, but I will show you some websites that are good and that show complete episodes of anime that you would love. So the first site is the Bilibili website. So you can use your Chrome or Google. Just search for bilibili.tv and this right here. This is the website you just have to click on, right? So this is how the Bilibili looks like. You have countless anime for you, and it's also have the complete episodes, as you can see right here. Complete episodes that you can watch. So this is the first website, and the second website is the Tubi TV. You also click on tubi.tv. So you click on it /an/anime. So it's going to load up, and okay, tubi.tv, Tubi TV. Okay, so this service is not available in my location. Yeah, so because I'm from Africa and that is not actually available. So the next one is the Crunchyroll. Yeah, so you click on this Crunchyroll right here, and it's going to pop up different kind of anime. Yeah, they're going to give you a free trial. By the end of the day, you have to subscribe, but the website is actually good for all kind of anime as well. So the next one is the Amazon free V. So I'm not sure if this will be available in my region, but that's actually the three top sites you watch your animes: the Bilibili, Tubi, and Crunchyroll. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys, and see my next video. Bye.